Okay, master lock LOTO. So let's pick this open. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2, 3, no. Come on. Okay. So one more time. Nothing on 1, 2, can't tell. Feels like binding, but doesn't. Let's start from the beginning. So, no. Yes. Oh, come on. So what's going on? So, fine, fine. No, no, no. And yes, there we go. So let me demonstrate you. First thing first, you see there is no spring in it, so it just goes up and down. Very funny. So now we are. Oh, the other way. Oh, yeah, no, not close. We need to close it. Now we need to turn it like this. And now it's locked again. It's a very nice lock. It comes always only with one key. There you go. Yeah. Open and closed. There you